Our system comes with a lot of wonderful widgets. Many of them are free to use for all, and they will be free forever, but some of them are pro widgets. You have to click this button, go to Browse all widgets, and then you'll see all our pro widgets in one view. If you decide you want one, for example, an image gallery, click it, and again click Upgrade to Pro. You can upgrade for $20 a year or take the lifetime deal. Just click it and you're off to a safe Pro subscription. Thanks for watching.